Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is NicholasKit and welcome back to another Cydia tweak review video. So this is not actually a Cydia tweak, by the way. So of course today we are checking out iOS 7 ringtones, which you can actually search this up on Cydia in the Big Boss repo. So of course what this tweak really does, basically it allows you to have iOS 7 ringtones on your iOS 6 and lower devices. So this also actually includes iOS 7 alert tones and ringtones as well. So it's pretty awesome, and this is actually configurable in the settings. For those of you guys who are actually interested in the iOS 7 but it's actually running on the iOS 6 with jailbreak, well, it's awesome. You guys can actually get the iOS 7 tone and of course the alert tone as well. So there it is. These are some of the iOS 7 ringtones, and of course they also actually bracket on the left hand side which all stats iOS 7. So this does not actually mix up with your iOS 6 current tones. So anyway, I'll just give you guys a preview of some of the ringtones. Alright, let's go. So this is actually one of the iOS 7 default tone. So we have chimes, cosmic, so of course right here in the bracket section they are actually all ringtones, and with the hashtag right here, these are actually alert tones. So these are maybe for messages or email. So this is the default iOS 7 note. And everything below right here is your default iOS 6 ringtones and your alert tones as well. So anyway, that is pretty much it for iOS 7 ringtones. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And by the way, I'm actually making a iOS 7 jailbreak status update video, and it will be out very soon. So be sure to stay tuned on my channel, subscribe if you haven't. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.